Meteorologist Esther Gonzalez is now outside her home. Now is a good time to be outdoors, Esther, but how about in a few hours? Is that all going to change?
Yes, absolutely. And I got to tell you, I'm starting to notice some clouds building off here to my west, and also it's heating up, and there are a lot of mosquitoes out here today. I actually had to get the mosquito repellent, and that's an important reminder because really you want to be careful if you do need to be outside. Not only do you want to be staying hydrated and all, of course, those summer tips that we all take into consideration, including drinking a lot of water, sunblock, but you also need the mosquito spray. Very important right now. A lot of sunshine as we look from our broad camera in Fort Lauderdale. The same goes from our Key West camera. A mix of sun and clouds. And looking at the radar, we are seeing some storms that are beginning to develop over the far western areas of Miami-Dade County, as well as southern Dade County, and approaching the Upper Keys right now near Ocean Reef. And already some rain rolling in across the middle and lower Keys. The temperature is already climbing to the mid to upper 80s for much of South Florida. You add in the humidity and it feels like the low to mid 90s because it is so steamy outside, and the wind fairly light, so not much of a breeze to help us out here today. The breeze is light, mainly out of the east-southeast, but in the mid to upper levels of the atmosphere, the steering flow is now shifted more out of the southwest and the west. And anytime we see that happen, that means that the storms that do fire up over the spine of the state or off to our west then begin to move in our direction. So that is what's going to take place. We'll still have the opportunity to heat up to 89 degrees, and a few of those storms could turn strong to severe, and there's a potential for heavy downpours, as you'll see from our future radar, taking you hour by hour as we get into the afternoon, especially between 2 and 4 p.m. and even through the evening rush between 5 and 6 p.m. That's when we'll likely see more of the widespread storms and also the potential for heavy rain that could lead to flooding, since some of the storms could be slow moving as the breeze is light today. So keep that in mind. Boaters, I know some of the boat ramps are opening. Just keep in mind, for now it's fairly quiet. Later on, though, could be quite active. Winds out of southeast 5 to 10 knots, a light chop on the bays. The best time to head to the beach would have been in the morning or now, because later on we could see some storms firing up along the coast. UV index is extreme and a slight risk of rip currents tonight. The upper 70s with scattered storms. We'll have moisture lingering across the southern tip of the peninsula and close enough that it'll keep us unsettled the rest of the week. So we'll stay with those highs in the 90s and the chance for scattered storms even as we head in through your Friday into the weekend. The rain chance will be lower, Maribel.